Here's how to share your Instagram story to Facebook in under 2 minutes. First, open the Instagram app on your Android or iPhone. Then tap on the Your Story tile in the top left corner. Now choose any photo or video you want to upload as your story. Then tap on the next arrow icon in the bottom right corner. Now, before posting the story, look under the Your Story section and tap on Sharing Options. A pop-up window will appear asking if you want to share your Instagram stories to Facebook as well. Tap on Continue. If your Facebook account is not connected yet, Instagram will now ask you to link your Facebook account. Tap on Continue again. After that, tap on Allow and Finish Adding at the bottom. Then you can choose to always share or share only this story. You'll now return to the sharing page. Here, make sure to select the Your Story and Facebook Story option. Then tap on Share at the bottom to share the story. And that's it. The Instagram story is now shared to your Facebook profile as well.